Hello and welcome to a brand new video. Today, I'm going to be showing you just the beginner's tutorial on how to use Calendly. Here I am signing up for it using my Google account. See, edit, and share and permanently delete all the calendars you can access using Google Calendar. So let's use our Google Calendar right here. Let's head on in to Calendly itself and see what this beautiful website is bringing to the table. How do you plan on using Calendly? On my own. Let's move on with that. What is my role? Let's say education, because that's what I'll be doing. There we go. Your calendar, you can see the beauty about Calendly is that you can absolutely just use the Google Calendar that you have tied to your Google account, and which subsequently just makes life a whole lot easier. The weekly hours, let's say these are all my weekly hours. You can like to meet people via Google Meet just because it works the best. Hashtag not a sponsor. Then it sets up your Calendly. Let's see, we've got a 30-minute meeting right here. One-on-one meetings, you can also set that up. You can look at all your upcoming things, which, by the way, you can use that. Let's head on over, see what the plans are like. You've got standards, which is... or standard, $10 per seat. You've got teams, $16 per seat, or enterprise, which is $15,000 per year for an entire business. You've got your contacts right here, your workflows, which it's just basically how to integrate everything that you have into one workspace so you're not overwhelmed all the time with business, and it takes care of a whole lot of that. You can also set up your meetings, availability, and all of that stuff. It's just absolutely wonderful if you want to use it for that sort of stuff. So after you set up your profile, it tells you here that you can get started, and there are steps to just creating your base profile. So I took the liberty of doing that. The perfect scheduling setup, it tells you a little bit, and it gives you leeway into how to use the website. And then if you go onto there, see, that's my profile. You can go on to there. You can change your name, the message, the language. That's all like the basic stuff of any website. You can also use that. Let's say that this is my company profile. You can set up your logo, apply to all users in your organization. You can, via this button right here, invite up to 50 people with the Teams trial. Of course, this is just a mere trial. We've already looked at the pricing for the amount of seats that you can use. Use Calendly with a team, scheduling for a meeting and such. It's basically everything you'd need for a small startup company or a big company. I don't know. I don't judge you. There's a link here to your Calendly profile that you can change. Obviously, also pretty basic. Let's go on to the home right here. The type of meetings can we schedule? Okay, let's see. New event. One-on-one, you and another person, like a coffee chat. Multiple invitees or rotating hosts. You can use Zoom, phone call, in person, availability, invitee. It's pretty basic stuff. Pretty awesome, to be honest. You can just make everything super specific according to your own workflow. Reminders, cancellations, thank you emails. You can integrate it with a whole bunch of other apps like Zoom, Salesforce, Google Meet, as I mentioned before, Google Calendar, Slack, PayPal. I honestly love this. You know, it's great for those OCD people that just don't like a mess, don't like overstimulation, don't like it to be overwhelming. If this video was helpful to you, please do let us know in the comments. Follow us for more videos, and thank you for liking it. And thank you so much for watching.